Hi there, it's Laura here from iHeart Planners, and I want to share with you the absolute easiest way I know of to save money. I get asked all the time about finances and budgeting, and I think using these super easy ways to save money is a great way to pay down debt and build up your savings. Now, if you haven't already, make sure you take a minute and go ahead and hit subscribe, hit the bell so you know when we put out new videos. So the easiest way that I have ever saved a significant amount of money is with something called Rakatan. A little hard to pronounce. Rakatan. It was formerly called Ebates. I've been using it for probably at least 8 years. It's spelled Rakutn. And what they do is they literally pay you. Like, they will send you a check in the mail or deposit money in your PayPal account for shopping online at stores you would be shopping at anyway. So you don't have to do anything else. You don't have to spend another dime. There's no credit card involved. All you have to do is click the link from Rakatan's website to go to the site where you want to shop, or use the Chrome extension to alert you when you're shopping at a site. So let me show you how it works. So here I am, I'm logged into my Rakatan. It's super easy to sign up. You just have to put in some basic information and let them know where to send your check or where to deposit the money into your PayPal account. And you can see right here, look at this. I have saved $1,151.08 over the past 2 years from using this. And that is from buying things I was going to buy anyway. So that's what I love about it. And you can layer this on top of other coupons. You can use your credit card where you get 1 or 2 or 3% cash back. It doesn't take away from any of that. It's truly just icing on top, just a little bit of extra. So this is literally like every so often they will place this money into your account. So they'll literally pay you for shopping. As you can see here, the percentage at different stores varies. Right now, Old Navy has 8%, Carter's has 5%. I will tell you, a couple of days ago, Carter's, that's a place I like to shop for my kids' clothing, had 14%. So it will vary some. 90% of the stores that I shop at online are available here through this site. So my personal favorites, Carter's, Ulta and Sephora for makeup, they'll often run promos that are up to 14% cash back, things like that. Amazon is a little iffy. Apple is usually at least 1%, sometimes 2%. So if you're going to buy something like a laptop, even though 1% is not a lot, since it's an expensive item, that will add up quickly. So make sure you always go here to shop, and literally all you have to do is click through the links. So if I wanted to go buy something at Old Navy, I click there, I say shop now, and it will take me to the site, and I don't have to do anything else. And I know it can feel a little bit weird, like, don't I have to do something else? Actually, no. I could purchase from here, log back into my Rakuten account, and see the money in there. It's that easy. In addition to that, if you're going to use this, I highly recommend, if you use the Chrome browser, to install the Chrome extension. Now, I'm not sure if they have extensions for other browsers. That's something to look into, because that alone has earned me so much money. Because before I had the extension, I would say, for example, go to Carter's and shop, and I would forget. And there's nothing more annoying than knowing that I could have earned a few bucks, but completely forgetting. Now, with the extension, it pops up and it says, hey, do you want to activate your 5% cash back? Yeah, I think I'd like to do that. You click the button. That's all there is to it. Now, if I purchase something on here, I'm going to get 5% back. In addition to that, the Chrome extension does something else that I have found to be really useful. So you know how all these different places, they have all these different coupons, and it's hard to keep up, like which one applies, and do I need to go check my email and see what coupon is out there and all those things? They will do that work for you. So I'm in my cart. I'm ready to check out. I'm not sure, like, does this coupon work? Is there another coupon out there? All you do, they gather up all the coupons. You click apply coupons. It goes through them one at a time. I've seen it go through as many as 4 to check and see what is going to work on your order. And it tells me, hey, I've saved $7.69. That's how much I'm going to get back from this order. And they used this coupon and saved me another $3.39. So they really are going to save you the most money possible. And it's that easy. No keeping track of anything. The coupon has already been applied. So it's super easy to install the extension in your browser. So I'm going to just type in Chrome Web Store extensions. And I'm going to search the store for the Rakatan extension. And obviously I already have it installed, but if you didn't, you would just click add to Chrome. You probably are going to have to just sign into your account once, and then it's going to work automatically for you, and you'll be able to watch those earnings rack up. And in addition to that, if you want to give this a try, I have a special link down below that you can click, and when you use it, you'll get an extra bonus $10 in your account for using that link. So you'll start off the bat after you use it, getting those $10, and who doesn't want a free $10? So I hope this has helped you learn how to earn some extra money. Go ahead and come back when you've done this and let me know how much money you've earned.